Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Learn with FraN. I'm FraN, and today we're gonna learn Italian. So last time we talked about the alphabet and basic pronunciation, and today we're gonna see some of the exceptions. So if you're ready to learn, let's go to the video.
Okay, so during this lesson we're gonna talk about the sound that the letters Ch and G make when they're followed by vowels. So the first thing we have to do is make a distinction between soft vowels and hard vowels. So the vowels E and I are called soft vowels. In Italian we call them vocali dolci. Dolci is not a translation of soft, but that's how we call them in Italian. Instead, the vowels A, O, U are called hard vowels. In Italian, we call them vocali dure. Dure is a literal translation for hard. So what happens to the letters Ch and G when they're followed by these vowels? So if the letter Ch is followed by E or I, the sound that comes out is a soft sound and that we pronounce when we pronounce the alphabet. So Ch plus E would be Che, like for example in cestino, and Ch and I would make Chi, as in cigno. Cigno is swan. If Ch is instead followed by A, O, U, the sound that comes out is a hard sound. Examples for this would be like, if it's Ch and A, the sound would be Ca, and for example we can say casa, which is house. When the letter C is followed by O, we have Co, as in poco. Poco means a little. When the letter Ch is followed by U, we have the sound Cu, as in cuore. Cuore is heart. The same happens with the letter G. So if the letter G is followed by a soft vowel, we will have a soft sound. So G plus E, like in gelato. When G is followed by I, it will make the sound G, exactly as when we pronounce as in pagina, which is page. If the letter G is instead followed by a hard vowel, it will make a hard sound. So if G is followed by A, it will make the sound Ga, as in gatto, cat. If the letter G is followed by O, it will make the sound Go, as in gonna. Gonna is skirt. If the letter G is followed by the letter U, it will make the sound Gu, as in gufo. Gufo is owl. So we have soft sounds and hard sounds. But what about if we want to have a hard sound with a soft vowel or a soft sound with a hard vowel? So if we have the letter Ch followed by E and I, we usually have a soft sound. If instead we need a sound which is like Ke and Ki, so a hard sound but using E and I, we just need to put an H, so H, in between the two letters. So for example, if we want to have the sound Ke, we'll have to write like this. Chi-H-E, Ke. Ke is also in itself a word and it means which. So when Chi is followed by I, usually the sound is Chi. So if you want to make it Ki, we just do the same. We put an H. So Chi-H-I, Ki. Also Ki is already a word in itself and it means who. The same happens with the letter G. So it means that if we have G and E, the sound would be J, and if we want to Ge, we just put an H in the middle. An example is Gepardo. Gepardo means cheetah. To make the sound Gi, we'll just have to put an H between G and I, as for example in Giro. Giro is dormouse. What if you want to sound with chi and a, but we want to pronounce it cha, as for example in ciao. Instead of putting an H between the two letters, in this case, we put an I. Ciao, as in ciao, which means hello. If we want to transform ko in cho, we'll put an I in between chi and a. For example, in bacio. Bacio means kiss. The same we will do with you. So if we want to create chu, we'll put an I in between chi and u. As for example, in ciuccio. Ciuccio is a dummy, and it has two hard pronunciations which are made soft. Chu, cho. So the same happens with the letter G. So we'll have già, as in giallo. Giallo means yellow. Then we have gio, as in giorno. Giorno means day. And then we have giù, as in giusto. Giusto means right, like correct. So remember that if you want to download this file, you'll find the link for it below my video, and I'll also leave some words as an exercise for you to read if you want to do it.
That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. If you liked the video, remember to put a thumb up and subscribe clicking on the red button if you don't want to miss any one of my new videos. I hope to see you next time. Ciao!